Good morning to one and all. In the last session, uh, we have discussed what problem?
Optimal binary search tree.
Yes, okay. In the last class, we have discussed optimal binary search tree using dynamic programming designing technique. So today we are discussing traveling salesperson problem using dynamic programming designing technique. So traveling salesperson problem in the sense, in a set of cities, and all cities are interconnected. That means connected graph. Nodes are nothing but cities, and the edges are nothing but connectivity. In a set of cities, all cities are interconnected. So our aim is to find a path. That means we can say Hamiltonian cycle, or a path starting from a specific node to reach all other remaining node exactly only once and come back to starting node. This is one cycle that we called as a tour. Traveling salesperson problem. This we call as a traveling salesperson problem. So this problem we can solve using brute force designing technique. We can solve using dynamic programming designing technique. We can solve using backtracking designing technique, and also we can solve using branch and bound designing technique. So the input for this problem is weighted connected graph. It can be a directed graph or undirected graph. It must be a weighted connected graph. So here I am taken the graph. So the graph contains 4 nodes. So assume there are 4 cities, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these cities are interconnected. So bidirectional. This is bidirectional. So city 1 to city 2, the cost is 20. Both the direction I am written in the same edge, and the 2 to 1, the cost is 5. So that means it is completely connected graph. So the direction from 1 to 2, the cost is 10, 2 to 1, cost is 5. Similarly, all other direction. To represent graph, any graph in computer memory, one of the efficient data structure is cost adjacency matrix. So we need to create 4 cross 4 matrix. There are 4 nodes are there, 4 cross 4 matrix. So 1 to 1. So 1 is the source, 1 is the destination. 1 to 1, cost is 0. 2 to 2, cost is 0. 2 to 3, cost is 0. 2 to 4, cost is 0. So here this is completely connected. So there is a direct connection from one node to another node. So values are mentioned in the matrix. 1 to 2, 10. 1 to 3, 15. 1 to 4, 20. So like that. If there is no direct path from one node to other node, any of the other node, so that corresponding matrix entry we have to mention as a maximum value. Normally we will write infinity. In the program we have to define what is the value of infinity. That is some maximum value. Maximum means So sum of the values of all the weighted. So sum of the values of all the weights, So it should be greater than, maximum value should be greater than sum of all these values. So in dynamic programming designing technique are used when the problem overlapped with sub problem again and again. So the designing approach is top down approach. That means we are finding the solution from smaller instance problem to larger instance problem. This is a top down approach designing technique. So the dynamic programming designing technique formula is, so G of I comma S. The S is the set, main set. It contains all the nodes of the graph or all the cities. So we need the starting node, from which node the two has to start. So we need the starting node also, graph, weighted graph, and the starting node. So here I is the starting node. It can be any one of this graph, any one of this node as a starting node. In this case, I am taking 1. So this is a general expression. The tour cost, that means traveling salesperson tour cost I to S. I is the starting node. S is the set of cities or set of nodes. So from I to reach all the remaining nodes of the graph exactly once, the cost G of I comma S is equal to minimum of the cost I to K. That means starting node to some intermediate node K. K is the intermediate node that belongs to S. S is a set of nodes other than I, other than the visited node or starting node. So cost of I comma K. So starting node to some intermediate node plus the cost of, that is G of K. K is intermediate node comma the remaining node. S is the main, all the unvisited node we can say, minus the set. What set? Which node we are going to visiting. So all the remaining nodes. The recursively we are calling this G function. The cost from starting node to intermediate node plus the cost from the intermediate node to all other remaining node other than the visiting node, that I and K node. This is the general formula. How to use this formula in this example, we'll see it. So I am taking 1 is the starting node, G of 1. 1 is the starting node. So G of 1, comma, what are the remaining nodes? 2, 3, 4. 1 is starting node, that means is visited. The remaining unvisited nodes are 2, 3, 4 equals to minimum of, what is K? K is belongs to S. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. So K picked from this set. Minimum of C of 1 comma K. 1 is the starting node. K is the various intermediate node. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. So minimum 3 expressions you will get. K varies 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. So for each case plus G of K. G of 2 comma, so the remaining node. 2 comma remaining node as 3, 4 you will get. So we are subtracting K value. So 3, when intermediate node is 2, this set becomes 3 and 4. When K become 3, this set become 2 and 4. When K become 4, this set become 2 and 3. So this is the root node expression. 1 is the root node expression. So now 1 is visited. What are the other possibility? From 1, it can reach 2, it can reach 3, it can reach 4. There are 3 possibilities are there. The salesperson is at city 1. So you can go to 2, you can go to 3, you can go to 4. You don't know which is the minimum cost. So there are 3 possibilities are there. We have to check one by one. So when we select the second city 2, so what is the expression? C1 comma 2. C1 1 to 2 is selected, that cost. C1 comma 2. 2 is the intermediate node. Plus G of 2 comma 3 comma 4. So S contains 2, 3, 4. So 2 is intermediate, we are selected. Remaining node is 3 comma 4. Similarly, when we select 3, 3 is C of 1 to 3 plus G of 3. 3 is the intermediate node. 3 comma 2 comma 4. The remaining nodes are 2 and 4. Similarly, when we select 4, C of 1 comma 4, cost from 1 to 4, C of 1 to 4 plus G of 4 is the intermediate node, 4 comma the remaining unvisited node 2 and 3. So G of 4 comma 2 and 3. So that means recursively we have to call, recursively. So now further we have to expand. So what is G of 2 comma 3 4 we have to find. So now 2 is the starting node. From 1 to 2 came, 2 is the starting node. 2 becomes starting node. What are the other possibility? It can be 3 or 4. It can reach 3 or it can reach 4. 2 possibilities. So when it comes to 3, the cost from 2 to 3, cost from 2 to 3 will get 9. From the matrix you have to find C23, 9 plus G of 3 comma remaining node. Remaining node is 4. 3 is the intermediate node. The remaining is 4. G of 4. When we select 4 as the next node, so then cost from 2 to 4 is 10. Cost.
Sir, cost from 2 to 3 is 3, sir.
2 to 3 is in the matrix.
3.
In the matrix.
Yes, sir. In the matrix, it should be 3.
1 to 2?
1 to 10.
Matrix hogi, sir.
Okay.
Matrix hogi.
2 to 3 is 9. See this value.
3, sir.
2 to 3 is 9. Cost from
sir, here.
Sir,
In graph you have to see.
2 to 3. 2.
Take yes.
2 to 3 is okay. 2 to 3 I am written 3 na.
Yes. No,
okay.
Sir. Here 3 in matrix 9.
Okay. So now take 9. This value 9. Okay. I made mistake. Yeah. This is 9. Huh?
Okay, sir.
2 to 3 is 9. This change this. I'll change this value. 2 to 3 is 9. So now 2 to 3 9. 9 plus G of 3 comma 4. Then 2 to 4 is 10 plus G of 4 comma 3. So now what is G of 3 comma 4? G of 3 comma 4 is, so G of 3 comma 4 is cost from 3 to 4. What is only one vertex is there? So cost from 3 to 4, that is 12 plus G of 4 comma 0, because only one, there is no empty set. This is null set. So this cost G of 4 comma empty means, so after reaching 4, it has to go back to the starting node. So G of that means cost from 4 to 1, that is 8. Cost from 4 to 8. One cycle has to come. This is the last node, 4. From 4 to 1, is there any edge we have to find? If there is an edge, so we have to find the cost. That. So now, what is this cost? 12 plus 8, that is 20. 12 plus 8 is 20 for G of 3 comma 4. So this 20 plus this 9, we will get 29. 29. So this is the cost for G of 2 comma 3 comma 4. 29. So here we have to find all the nodes, minimum we have to update. So now in this track, 10 plus g of 4 comma 3, 10 plus, so g of 4 comma 3 is, g of 4 comma 3 is what? The cost from 4 to 3, 4 to 3 is 9 plus g of 3 comma empty set. Now 3 to 1 is 6. 6 plus 9 is, so 15. 15 is the value for g of 4 comma 3. So then g of 2 comma 3 comma 4. So that value, this node value will get 10 plus 15. So 25 will get. Minimum of these two. Minimum of these two we have to find out. Minimum of these two is 25. So we are taking 25 as the minimum here. Similarly, so when it reach select 3, C of 1 3 plus G of 3 comma remaining unvisited nodes are 2 and 4. So what is G of 3 comma 2 of 4? So C 3 3 2 or C 3 4, either 2 or 4. C 3 2, that is 1 2 plus G of 2 comma 4. So G of 2 comma 4 is what? So C 2 4 plus G of 4 comma null. 4 comma null means empty set. What is that value? 8. So 18 you will get G of 2 comma 4. So 13 plus 18, 31. Node to 31 will get 31. Similarly for this node, so C of 3 4 1 2 plus G of 4 comma 2 4 comma 2. So G of 4 comma 2 is nothing but G of 4 comma 2 C of C4 comma 2 plus G of 2 comma null. So 2 to 1 is 5. So 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5, 13 you will get 13. G of 4 comma 2 is 13. 12 plus 13 is 25. So minimum of 31 and 25 is 31. So you have to select 31. 25. 25 you have to select G of 3 comma 2 4. 2 4. So now similarly when you reach 4, C14 plus G of 4 comma 2 3. C14 is 20. So G of 4 comma 2 4 is C42, C42 is 8 plus G of 2 3. So G of 2 3 is nothing but C23 plus G of 3 comma empty. So 6 G comma empty, that means 3 to 1 is 6 and so 9. 9 is C24 is 2 3 is 9. 23 will get. So this 15. G23 is 15 plus 8 will get 23. Node 2 is 23. Similarly, node 3. So C43 is 9 plus G32. So what is G32? G32 is C32 plus so G2 null. So 2 to null is what? 5. 5 plus 13 will get 18. 18 plus 9, 27. So minimum of these two, 23 and 27, minimum is 23. We have to take 23 for G of 4 comma 2 3. 23 plus 20, 43 you will get. Here 25 plus C13, so 40 you will get. And here 10 plus 25, 35 you will get. Out of these three, which is minimum? 35 is the minimum. 35 is the minimum. So that means the tour is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 3, then 3 to 1. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 1. And the weight from 1 to 2 is 10, 2 to 4 is 10, 4 to 3 is 9, 3 to 1 is 6, 35. So we are getting 35 as the right answer. Any doubts? Kavya?
No, sir.
Kavya? Kavya, she's coming now. Any doubts? Bhavya?
No, sir.
Archana? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay,
No
fine.
doubt, sir.
Okay, fine. So now the same thing I'm written. G2 comma empty means 2 to starting node. 2 to starting node, the cost is 5. 3 empty means 3 to starting node, 6. 4 empty means 4 to starting node, 8. Starting node we are considered as a 1. So 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, that waits. Recursively we have to solve, that's why. So G23 is 1 to 2 plus 3, that is 15. G24, 1 to 2 plus 4, 2 to 4, that is 18. So like that. These is 2 nodes. That means 1 intermediate node. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. And next is, so 3 nodes. 3 nodes. So G234, G2 to 3 or 4, 3 to 2 or 4, 4 to 2 or 3. So 3 values will get. Minimum of this we have to select. Whatever I'm written in the tree, the same. So G1 comma 2 3 4, so 35 will get. So this is the way we have to solve. And the algorithm, so G C S comma I. S is the starting node. Here in the formula, I'm taken S is the starting node, and I is the various unvisited node. If size of S is 2, if size of S is 2, then S must be 1 comma 2. Sorry, S is the set, is same as whatever you are considered in the algorithm. Set of unvisited node. I is the starting node. Here C, S comma J terms, smaller subproblems. We need to start at node 1 and end at J. At J. So you should select the next city in such a way that if size of S is 2, that means set of unvisited, set of nodes is 2, graph size is 2, then S must be 1 comma I. 1 is the starting node, the remaining 1 node is the other node, unvisited node. The base condition. C of S comma I equals to distance from 1 comma I. So starting node to other node. This is the base condition. Else, if size of S is greater than 2, here the size of S is 4. 4 nodes we are considered. In that case, so the formula is minimum of C of S minus I comma J. Whatever I explained in terms of G matrix, the same. Here C matrix is there. So C of S minus I comma J plus distance from, this we call it as a CJI, distance from J to I. So this is the formula we have to execute in the algorithm. This is what we call relation, recurrence relation. So how to write the algorithm, we'll see it. So C of 1 comma 1. 1 is the starting node, these are remaining node. So if only one node is there, source and destination are same, so that means cost is 0. So for S varies from 2 to n. 1 is the starting node, the remaining nodes are the intermediate node, 2 to 4. 2 to 4. So for all subset, S belongs to 1 to n of size S containing 1, C of S comma 1 is infinity. So that means, so initially we are storing in this matrix 1 to all other remaining nodes cost is infinity. Infinity. So that is in the G matrix. Whatever G matrix I explained. Here C is there. For all J belongs to S, that means in the example I am taken K, here J is there. For all J belongs to S and J is not equal to 1, J should not be a starting node, that is a visited node. So C of J, S comma J. So the formula minimum of C comma S minus J comma I plus distance I to J, whatever the expression I mentioned, that one. Then return the minimum of C of all these values, whichever minimum, so that value we have to return. So then, so this algorithm, this is the program is very simple. Only one expression we are executing in 3 nested loop, but the number of calculations are more in this expression because minimum you have to find out. So the time complexity of this algorithm is the total number of subproblem is 2 power n. Total number of subproblem, because there are 4 nodes. Size of the set is 4. 2 power n subproblems you can get. To solve each subproblem, the time complexity is n squared quadratic. The total time is order of 2 power n into n squared. Order of 2 power n into n squared. So this is the time complexity of this traveling salesperson problem. Any doubts, Tilia? Nisarga?
No, sir.
Tejas?
No, sir.
Kavya? Kavya? Syed? Syed? I think Syed the mic problem. Sana? Sana?
No, sir. No, sir.
No doubts?
No doubts.
Okay. Pooja?
No doubt, sir.
Pratibha?
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubts. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Sana? Sana?
No, sir.
No means what? No doubts or no? No
No
doubts?
doubts, sir.
Okay, fine. Pratibha? Pratibha? Suprita? Suprita?
No doubt.
Huh?
No doubt, sir.
No doubts. Okay. Vijay Lakshmi?
No doubt, sir.
Tejas?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, fine. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. I'll share this PPT and you have to practice with the different examples, different graphs size and different weights of the graph, so that you need to practice. So this is a traveling salesperson problem using dynamic programming designing technique. So the same problem we can also solve using branch and bound designing technique. So that we will see later on how to solve this problem using branch and bound designing technique. And in this graph, so this value 9 in the matrix I am written 9, not 3. 9 I am written. So you have to change this value as 9. This is not 3. This only this value 2 to 3. So I will share this PPT. Later on you can follow this PPT for your reference. Bhavya? Bhavya,
Sir.
any doubts?
No, sir.
Amruta? Amruta,
Yes, sir.
any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Jayashree. 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 Madhushree.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
I think you have cleared the concept. So thank you very much for this
Yes, sir.
session. So we'll see in the next session. Hmm?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ